Now, as the fun continues, due to we already have one apart. Now I will show you how to pull the other one apart. Loops around here, what you'll want to do, take your fingernail, or small little Phillips if you have it, get the slide underneath, so slide it all the way up and around and pop her apart. Be careful though, you can break if you force too hard. Keep that in mind while you are doing this. Quite easy to pop apart though, just like the whole My Touch crap. But voila, we have the outer casing off. Sorry about the light, guys, can't really help it. But got the outer casing off. Voila. Now there is one more screw that you might want to pay attention to on this, and it is right there. Well, here, I'll show you with the screwdriver. It might make it easier. Right here. Another Phillips right there. Now, as I take this off, you got multiple pins that you need to pull. Here. Here. And here. And then there will be more to pull off here in a sec. Let me get this part off and I shall show you. Now, we have sort of left off. One is right there in the corner. As you'll see me flip it up. Now, see? Right there. The other one, right up here. And then, next but not last, the one right here to your volume rocker. And then, if you so desire, to make sure it don't get hurt, your webcam. Now, when pulling out, keep in mind it does have a glue resistance on it. So keep that in mind. But just want to take a flathead. I recommend your fingers though. Much more easier to associate. And just slide your fingers up and down and around. Keep in mind there is a lock switch right up in here where you gotta like get your finger up and around and pop it just a little bit. And be careful of the vibrator motor. Almost made the mistake of breaking it. Right there. Make sure you pop it out by like first, since the wires are towards the back. You'll understand what I mean when you do this. And boom, you have your Android's board out. Now, putting it into the other is as easy as pulling it out. And boom, we have her all popped in. Now time to get the pop pins down. Boom. Boom. Motor in. So quite easy as you can see. Now time to put our camera back in. Put our place back on. And now I lost my shirt. There it is. Make sure you have a clean environment when doing this. It'll make it so much more easier, like a work desk. And twist it in. Make sure not to tighten too tightly, just snugly. Just enough to make it work. And then push your pin down. And just like that, we're done with that part. Make sure overlook. Make sure you look at your mess and make sure it's not like messed up really badly. And then pop her back together. And now for the moment of surprise, ladies and gentlemen. To boot and see if it all went accordingly. So far, so good. And as you can see, it's getting there. A little bright because due to the camera, but and just like that, ladies and gentlemen, a screen repair gone done. Done easily, done quick, done well. For those of you that don't own a Pantech, recommend buying 4 or 5 of them, just keeping them for backup. Awesome little phones and well worth the value. Check the review, and I guess later.